Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? Today we're going to do something fun, something interesting using Arduino, of course. Today we're going to do flame detection system using Arduino Flame Sensor and probably just one LED. This project is perfect for beginners who want to learn how sensors works with Arduino. So let's get started. Here is the flame sensor. It can detect light from infrared range, which means it can see light coming from fire or flames. It usually have 3 pins, but some has 4 pins though. But in this video, I'm going to be making use of the one that has 3 pins. If you check your sensor, you're going to see something written on it. You're going to see something like VCC, GND, and DO. The VCC is the power pin, the GND is the ground pin, and the DO is the digital output pin. So this is how it basically works. When the sensor detects a flame, it sends a signal to the Arduino through the digital output pin. Circuit setup: VCC to 5 volts on the Arduino, GND to GND on the Arduino, digital output to digital pin 2 on the Arduino, and LED to pin 13 on the Arduino. Let's start assembling. So fire detector or flame sensor. Arduino will know, breadboard, and some jumper wires. So we're using a blue LED. You can actually use any LED of your choice, but I choose to use the blue one. And finally, a 220 ohm resistor. As you can see the VCC, the GND, and the DO pins. Yeah. So we're going to be plugging our first wire, our first jumper wire. We're going to put it in the DO pin. Yeah, we're going to put it in the DO pin. Then the second wire, we're going to put it in GND. And the last wire is going to be going to the VCC. So the DO is going to digital pin 2, and the other 2 wires is going to the various pin. Time to put the LED. The short leg of the LED is going to the GND column, as you can see. One leg of the resistor is going to be on the roll of the LED, and the other leg is going to be anywhere. You can put it anywhere. The blue wire is going to digital pin 13, while the black wire in the negative side is going to GND. Now I'm going to plug it and upload the code to the Arduino. So this is the Arduino code, and you can copy it manually or you can check the description. You're going to see a PDF of the code. That way you can copy and paste to your system. I think that one will be much more easier to do. And the first line of this code is just for defining the pin. In that way, the Arduino is going to know which pins the LED and the sensor is connected to. As you can see on this code, flame sensor equals to pin 2 and LED equals to pin 13. That way, the Arduino is going to know where the components are connected to, and it's going to send power directly to where those pins are. In setup, we define the sensor as input and the LED as output. We also state the serial monitor so we can see messages. And finally, in void loop, Arduino keeps checking the sensor. If the sensor detects fire, Arduino will turn on the LED and print fire detected. But if it doesn't detect fire, it doesn't turn on the LED and it won't print fire detected. You can see that in the serial monitor. So I'm going to check the serial monitor now, and you're going to see what's going to show. As you can see, you're going to see no flame, no flame, no flame, no flame. That's because of the sensor is not detecting flame yet. As you can see, when the sensor detects light, the LED turns on, and when it doesn't detect light, it turns off. If you check your serial monitor, when the LED is on, you're going to see flame detected, flame detected. If the LED is not on, you're going to see no flame. And that's it for today's project. It's simple Arduino flame sensor that detects fire. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more creative build, check out my other projects like the BMW and Dodge cardboard cow model and many more unique craft projects coming soon. For more Arduino tutorial and DIY creation, make sure you hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.